Hey, so here is Spoon app, which is basically live social audio. Let's just try to install it. Just go to App Store, and this is how you can install it. So there are a lot of live social audio apps right now, like Clubhouse, Stereo app, Cappuccino, all of these Capiche FM. So all of these apps where you can just hang out your audio. So you can see this, that there are 30 million plus people here. And let's just try to open it up. Audio only, live cast, talk, and then you can just start listening. So here are all the different conversations, and there is cast, which are basically like podcasts, or talk, where you can join the conversation. So there you have it.